Chocolate pumpkin cheesecake with just a few ingredients for a creamy, healthy, and good for you superfood that tastes like a treat, plus a decadent hot cocoa that's healthy enough to enjoy every day. This Earth Echo Cacao Bliss is what sets these bars apart. It's raw and ceremonial grade infused with 7 superfoods like lucuma, MCT, and turmeric to synergistically work to enhance your energy, immunity, and cognition, and I'll link it below if you're interested. For the cheesecake, you'll need 3 spotty brown bananas, 2 cups of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of nut butter, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, a pinch of sea salt, and 1/3 cup of cacao bliss, which is also organic, vegan, gluten, sugar, and soy-free, and what I use for a quick afternoon pick-me-up for clean energy. I'll simply combine a tablespoon of cacao bliss to sweeten milk with a pinch of salt or vanilla, and I'll take my time drinking it slowly. It's like a daily intimate cacao ceremony that's meditative yet indulgent. Super ripe bananas are best, but you can also add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. You'll use an entire can of puree, but make sure it's not pie filling. I've made this with almond, peanut, hazelnut, and sunflower butters. The salt and spice will bring it all together while the cacao bliss punches it up with nutrition. You can definitely bake this at 350 for about 16 minutes, but in a 900-watt microwave, it took me about 6 to 9 minutes. To highlight the chocolate flavor, I chose to frost with even more chocolate, and it provided a really nice texture contrast as well. When I made this again, I glazed it with a simple icing and sprinkled with flake sea salt, and that was yummy too. I've been really enjoying this for breakfast with my hot cocoa, and it's been an awesome late night snack that doesn't sit heavy. But most of all, I love how light and dreamy it is. If you recreate this, please let me know by tagging me on Instagram at @squishymonster. And don't forget to hit subscribe and that bell icon to be notified.